channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making a key lime pie. So let's take a break and bake. This was actually a requested dessert by one of you guys. This was requested on Facebook, so go follow me on my social medias or comment down below any requests you have for future videos. So like I said, today we're making key lime 3.14159266535, or as it's better known, pie. Of course, not that kind of pie, the dessert pie. Now let's make this key lime pie. The ingredients you need are graham crackers that have been crushed into crumbs, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of whipping cream, half a cup of key lime juice, half a cup of butter, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. So the first step is that we're gonna make our graham cracker crust. So you're gonna take your graham cracker crumbs and then you're gonna combine it with your white sugar. You're gonna mix this real well, and then you're gonna melt your butter and drizzle that over your graham cracker and sugar mixture. And then you're just gonna fold that all together. And then in a buttered 9 or 10-inch pan, you're gonna pour your graham cracker crumbs in. Then you're just gonna pat it on the sides to making sure that it gets that pie crust shape. Make sure that there's no empty holes or thinner spots than there is in other places. You want this to be as equal as possible. Then put that in the oven at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you watch it, that way it doesn't get dark brown. You want it to keep that golden color. Then remove it out of the oven and set it aside, being careful not to bump it up on anything. Because if you do, the crust sides might fall in, and that would be really bad. And the crust is the key part of this pie. What you're gonna do is beat together your cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, and lime juice. Make sure this is really mixed well and make sure it has an even consistency. Then pour that into another bowl and set it aside, because now you're gonna whip together your whipping cream and you're gonna whip this until it reaches soft peaks. Once you got that, you're gonna add in your sweetened condensed milk mixture into that same bowl and fold it all together. Now this is optional, but I added a little bit of green dye just to give it a slight lime color. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your cooled graham cracker crust and you're gonna pour in your key lime filling into the crust, and then you're gonna put that in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Then afterwards, when you're ready to serve, I actually had some extra key lime filling. I put that in the fridge as well. After it was all done chilling, I put it in a piping bag, and then I made some little dollops onto the key lime pie, and I chopped up some limes and I put them onto the little dollops just to give it an extra decoration. Thank you so much for watching this video, Baking and Buttercream. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make a key lime pie. Thank you so much again for requesting this dessert. If you have a dessert idea you want me to make sure to comment it down below, or go in the description box and click one of my social media links at Facebook and Instagram and message me there. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure to share with everybody you know. Alright guys, click one of these 2 videos right here. This top one YouTube recommends to you. I really think you'll like this video right here, the bottom one. And click this Baking and Buttercream logo over here to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a great day.